morning students, welcome back to our subject Science 2 and Chapter 7 Introduction to Microbiology. Points to be covered: yogurt, butter, cheese production, probiotics, bread, vinegar production, microbial chambers, organic acid used in various commercial products and microbes useful for the same, substances obtained by microbial processing and their roles. Yogurt product. Yogurt is a milk product produced with the help of lactobacilli inoculant for maintaining the protein contained. Condensed milk powder is mixed with the milk to be fermented for industrial production of yogurt. Milk is boiled and once it cools to warm temperature, bacterial strain of Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacilli delbruecae are added to it in 1:1 proportion. Lactic acid is formed due to Streptococcus that makes the protein to gel out that gives dense consistency to the yogurt. Acetaldehyde-like compounds are formed due to lactobacilli that gives characteristic taste to the yogurt. Nowadays, the fruit juices are mixed with yogurt to impart different flavors. Example: strawberry yogurt, banana yogurt, etc. Shell life of yogurt and its probiotic properties can be improved by pasteurization. Butter. Two types of butter like sweet cream and cultured are produced on large scale. Microbes are used for production of cultured variety. Cheese production. Cheese is produced on large scale from the abundantly available cow milk all over the world. First and chemical and microbiological tests of milk are performed. Some colors and microbes like Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus cremoris and Streptococcus thermophilus are mixed with the milk. It imparts sourness to the milk. After this, it imparts a dense texture. Water in yogurt needs to be removed. An enzyme rennet obtained from the alimentary canal of the cattle was being traditionally used earlier. However, enzyme protease obtained from the fungi is used at present to produce vegetarian cheese. The whey is separated from the yogurt, which has some other uses. Then the process of production of cheese is started through the steps like cutting the solid yogurt into pieces, washing, rubbing, salting and mixing of essential microbes, pigments and flavors. Then cheese is pressed, cut into the pieces and stored for ripening. Probiotics. These are also the milk product but contains the active bacteria like Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei, Bifidobacterium, Bifidium, etc. This microbes maintains the balance of intestinal microorganism, that is increase of population of microbes helping the digestion and decrease of the population of harmful microbes. Example: Clostridium. Probiotic products are available in the various forms like yogurt, curry, sauerkraut, pickle of cabbage, dark chocolate, miso soup, pickle, oil, corn syrup, artificial sweetener, microalgae, seafood like spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, etc. These products forms the colonies of useful microbes in the alimentary canal and control other microbes and their metabolic activities, improve resistance and lowers the ill effect of harmful substances formed during the metabolic activities. Useful microbes become inactive due to antibiotics. Probiotics make them active again. Nowadays, probiotics are used for treatments of diarrhea and treatment of poultry also. Bread. Different types of breads are produced from the flour of cereals and dough is formed by mixing of baker yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, water, salt and other necessary materials with flour. Due to the fermentation of carbohydrates by yeast, sugar is converted into carbon dioxide and ethanol. Dough rises due to carbon dioxide and bread becomes spongy. Compressed yeast is used in commercial bakery industry. It is available in dry, granular form for domestic use. Yeast produced for commercial use contains various useful contents like carbohydrates, fats, proteins and various vitamins and minerals. Due to this, bread and other products produced with the help of yeast become nutritive. Ingredients like vinegar, soya sauce, monosodium glutamate, Ajinomoto that are used in presently popular Chinese food are produced by microbial fermentation. Vinegar production. Vinegar is used in each country of the world to impart a sour taste to the food material and for preservation of pickles, sauce, ketchup, chutneys, etc. Chemically, vinegar is 4% acetic acid CH3OOH. Ethanol and alcohol is obtained by fermentation of carbon compounds like fruit juices, maple syrup, sugar, molasses, starch of the roots with the help of the yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The mixture of bacterial strain like Acetobacter and Gluconobacter is mixed with ethanol for its microbial degradation. Acetic acid and other byproducts are obtained through it. Acetic acid is separated from the mixture of refraction. Acetic acid is bleached with the help of potassium ferrocyanide. Then it is pasteurized. Finally, a very small quantity of SO2 gas is mixed to produce vinegar. Soya sauce is produced by fermentation of a mixture of flour with wheat or rice and soya bean with the help of fungus Aspergillus oreaceae. Microbial enzymes. Nowadays, instead of chemical catalysts, microbial enzymes are used in chemical industries. These enzymes are active at low temperature, pH and pressure, due to which energy is saved, and erosion-proof instruments are also not necessary. Enzymes carried out specific process, hence unnecessary byproducts are not formed, due to which expenses on purification are minimized. In the case of microbial enzymatic reaction, elimination and decomposition of waste material is avoided and enzymes can be reused. Hence, such enzymes are eco-friendly. Some example of microbial enzymes are oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolase, lysis, isomerase, ligases, etc. Process of dirt muck removal occurs at a low temperature due to mixing of enzymes with detergents. Glucose and fructose syrup can be obtained from corn flour by reaction of enzymes obtained by bacilli and Streptomyces. Bacterial enzymes are used in various industries like cheese, plant extract, textile, leather and paper, etc. Organic acid used in various commercial products and microbes useful for the same. The source will see here the sugar and beet, molasses, ammonia, salt. Then microbes will see here Bacterium, Chiranobacterium. Then amino acid formed here is L-glucomatic acid. Then use is the production of monosodium glucomate, that is Ajinomoto. Then second one source is sugar, molasses, salt. Aspergillus niger is a microbe. Then amino acid here is citric acid and use is drink, toffee, chocolate production. And third source is glucose, corn strip liquor, that is Aspergillus niger. Then amino acid formed here is gluconic acid and uses production of mineral used as supplement for calcium and iron. Then fourth source is here molasses, corn strip liquor, lactobacillus delbruecae. Then amino acid here formed is lactic acid, source of nitrogen and production of vitamins. Molasses, corn strip liquor, Aspergillus etaconus, etaconic acid, paper, textile, plastic industry, gum production. Substances obtained by microbial processing and their roles: citric acid, lactic acid to impart acidity, glumatic acid, lysine, tryptophan, protein binding, niacin, netamycin, microbial reactors, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, B12, B2, antioxidant vitamins, beta carotene, lycopenes, xanthin, lutein, edible colors, polysaccharides, glycolipids, emulsifier, vanillin, ethylene butyrate, fruit color, peppermint, flavor, essence of various fruit and flower, essence, xylitol, aspartame, artificial sweetener, low calorie.